Hello, Venu this side. In this video, I am explaining how to practice pyspark in Windows, especially using this VS Code. I am explaining that information. First, my recommendation, please follow my YouTube channel. If you search Hadoop Spark installation Hadoop, you will get this. This is my YouTube channel that is called Shreya Bilashi IT. Okay, this is just follow this. In this video, already I explained this. Okay, once again, that is also I'm explaining right now. Okay, how simple. Go to Spark. Spark. Here, go to whatever it may your wish. I recommend 3.8, but if you are interested 4.x, that's also fine. Here 4.11 you have. Click that and download that. That's it. Okay, similarly VS Code. VS Code download. Like that, Google it. Now go to this website. Here, download this. I think most of the members using Windows. That's why click that. Okay. I did both. One more important thing, Java also mandatory. I think in this video, I already explained this. Okay, follow this video in this description. Java 11, last one. Click that. It is a pop-up like this. Don't worry. Click. At the time, automatically it's downloading. Java 17 only. Java 17 is required. Okay. Fine. After that, Anaconda, this is, please click this Anaconda. Here, skip registration. Here, download that. Okay, after that, do it next, installation completed. Already I completed this in this video, follow that video. Okay, after completed, what next? I want to install Spark. Any big data software is same. Here, Spark 4.x. Okay, my recommendation, create one folder called big data. Okay, already I created. Now Control V, paste that. Spark. Here you have to extract it 2 times. Right click here. Show more. 7-zip only, not WinRAR or any other thing. 7-zip highly recommendable. 2 times you have to extract. 2 times you have to extract. In this video, I think in that previous video, 5.x I am explaining. This is 4.1. You have to extract 2 times. Okay, if you extract this, you will get one more. This is 6.1. Okay, 600 MB, more than that. So if you want, you can delete this one, old one. Okay, that's not a problem. Next, this is right click and extract one more time. Show more. 7-zip, extract here. Okay. After extracting, very, very simple. You will get a folder. Okay. This is that folder. 4.1. Now, copy this 4.1. Paste in environment anywhere. Very simple. Start button. Environment variable. Okay. Here, my recommendation, there is a path, PATH, path. Go to this path. Here, already mentioned this. Spark home, Spark bin and spin. Already it's configured. So here, only one important thing. Spark home, already it is configured. Please check 5.4. Instead of that 5.4, just use this one. That's it. That's it. Spark installation completed. After that, if you want to practice on anything, my recommendation, install this VS Code. Very simple. Double click and install. Maybe it will take 2 to 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay, you will get like this. Very simple. Accept the agreement. Next. Here, where you want to install, by default is installed here, but your wish. If you want to install any other location, that's also fine. But as of now, I'm installing here. Next, this is VS Studio. Okay, next. Create a desktop. All these things are recommendable, not mandatory. Okay. Next, install. Maybe it will take little time. Okay. After that, my recommendation, I think you already install Anaconda. Okay. Here in this video, I said, download this Anaconda. It's downloading. Do it next. It will take at least 10 minutes to start. After that, what are you doing? Open Anaconda. Okay. My recommendation, Python 3.10, highly recommendable. Okay. If not, here, not normal terminal. Open CMD, Anaconda terminal only. This is good. Anaconda prompt. Okay, here, pip, conda create n 5 311 Python is equal to 3.11 hyphen y. If you are installing like this, what happened? You are installing one virtual machine, virtual environment. That virtual environment name is called 311. In that virtual environment, you are installing Python 11th version in this place. Okay. Please note the latest version 3.10 recommendable, 3.11 also okay. Okay, but 3.13, 14, very latest version, I don't recommend. Mostly you'll get compatibility issues. First install this. Maybe it will take little time. Okay. I will share these comments also in this YouTube description just to follow that. After that, what next? I think VS Code installation completed, I think, within this time. Hmm. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, this is installation completed. Maybe it will take little time. Within this time, open VS Code. I think VS Code installation completed. Then finish. Automatically it's opening. Okay. After completed this, to be frankly, already installed in my system. You do one thing. From zero, I am explaining. From zero, then you can easily understand. 5 minutes back, you installed Spark, in C drive or D drive, whatever it may be. Okay. Here you install Spark in Big Data. You install Spark. Now, my recommendation, create one folder. Create one folder. What is that folder? Any folder is fine to generate the code. What is that? Okay. Don't worry, background installing that Python mini. That's why you automatically it will get automatically close. Okay. Here you are creating one new folder that is called pyspark code. Like that. Give one name. Any name is fine. Any name is fine. Okay. In this scenario, what happened? If you get any pop-up, click yes, 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 yes. Okay. Click yes, yes, yes. Now, here, open a folder. It is showing you one pop-up you will get. Pop-up. Here, left-hand side, open a folder like that, like that. In this scenario, please check somewhere. Just now you created, PySpark code or something. PySpark code. Just place that path only. That path only. First of all, this black color screen, I don't recommend black color screen. Okay, here you will get yes, trust. Yes, trust. Do it. And one more thing here, preferences, black color I don't prefer. That's why here, theme, color theme, like. At that time, it's good, compare with the black. So like that, you create like this. Okay, na? Next. Here you already prepared open code. Okay, na? First, my recommendation, create one file testing purpose. Python poc.py. Okay. Here everything Python code is working properly. Okay. Here my recommend, if you want, please check print hello. Okay, here run this button triangle. At the time, if you get a hello world program, yes, that's good. Now, if you want to practice PySpark writing, PySpark. Now, please check if you type from PySpark.sql import star. If you enter this, here yellow color mark is showing. If it is showing like this means a dependency issue. Dependency issue. Once again, I repeat. In this scenario, what are you doing? My recommendation. First, my recommendation. Here, left hand side, it is showing one icon, icon. It is called GitHub icon, GitHub Copilot. My recommendation, beside that, there is something it is showing. 314. 314. I don't recommend that. Here, 5 minutes back, you install Pi 11, Pi 11, Pi 11. Click that Pi 11. At that time, you are taking that virtual environment. Similarly, beside that also it is showing Python 11. Here also use Python 11. Python 11. Okay, just now you installed that. That's fine. Please choose that to Python same version. After that, my recommendation, you already installed this Pi 11, here, 2 minutes back. Just right click, enter that. That means instead of using base versions, you are using Python 3.11 version. Now, my recommendation, pip install PySpark equal to 4.1.1. Why? In my local computer, I installed 5 minutes back Python 1, that version only. 4.x I am trying to install. Okay, here 4.1.1, my recommendation. Here also same. Okay, 4.11, enter. It is simple, very, very simple it is. If you install this plugin, automatically install if within this Pi 11 environment. At the time, what happened? Automatically it is reflected here also. Why here also you are using Pi 11, That's why. Now, if you want, within this time, I will prepare the PySpark code from PySpark. Okay, very good. Spark is equal. If you want master, etc. Okay, now if you want to practice, must have. If you want, here in a drivers folder, different data sets you have. Take any data sets. Okay. Take any data set. Then what happened? That's it. Now still red color is there. I mean, just under this, it is showing some icon, etc., etc. To be frankly, it will take little time. Here, please check. PySpark, it is installing build dependencies, all important dependencies installing. Okay. Give me 2 minutes. If the all this completed, then automatically it is reflected here also. Now it's working. As of now, I'm explaining a sample code. If you want one more option, infer schema, true, etc., etc. That's it. Okay. If here, if you install this, installing successfully, this one also dependencies. Congrats. Pi 4J and PySpark, both installed. Now you can do it. Here, wait a few seconds. Otherwise, you have to restart your PyCharm. I mean, IntelliJ. Sorry, this VS Code. Now please check. Now there is no any yellow color that underscore means. Now it's working. Here, either right click run or simply here run button. That's it. Here, just right click run. So please check. It is also using Python, this version. Now it is running this code. Now what happened? Internally, it's calling other. Now the data frame is showing. After that, everything is same. Okay, if you don't want all these warnings, here this is one more recommendable spark context. This one, what this only errors display, remaining everything unnecessary logs, everything. Please don't display. That is that mean. Okay, so in that way, very simple. Only two things. Right hand side below this icon, you have click that and change this version. Python 11 only. Why in your local computer you install same? That's why. Now please check. This is it showing Aadhaar card, etc. etc. I think you can understand. If you have any queries, just comment below. I will try my level best to answer. Thank you. If you like this video, just forward to others. Maybe this knowledge useful for your friends. Thank you.